Hi guys, padong na miski na Greenfield diri sa Inayawan para magatang og bus. Nakasakay na mi og bus guys no. Tanawang sitwasyon sa bus, perting puno Padong sad ni sila mosimba guys no para mo attend sa novena ni Senior Santo Niño. Kaway-kaway sa ta guys kay hapit na mi maabot. Oh, naabot na rin mi guys. Uy, dali ara. Dito guys, doon nami sa Cebu Bazaar. Diri namin ninaog kay dili naman makadretso ang bus dito sa church. Yeah, muliko naman sila diri sa unahan sa may BDO Bank. So guys, lakaw na lang ta. Let's go! Mauday ni amo ang ika-5th day of 9th sa Novena Mass ni Senior Santo Niño guys no. Kay fiesta man ni Senior Santo Niño diri sa Cebu. Not only Cebuanos ang mo-attend aning novena nga misa guys no, but there are also other nationalities from Cebu, other places in the Philippines or even outside the country. Especially to those who are devotees ni Senior Santo Niño to celebrate his feast day. The start of a novena mass depends on the novena and the day of the week. So the Basilica started its novena mass last January 9, 2025, and that is Thursday. Novenas are a period of prayer that can be held at any time, but many are held in preparation for a feast day. And here in Cebu, the novena for the feast of Senior Santo Niño is a period of 9 days of prayer. So mahuman ang novena mass diri sa Basilica guys, this January 17, 2025, this coming Friday. The word novena comes from the Latin word novem, which means 9. So 9 days ang novena mass guys. So novenas are a way to ask for special favors, make petitions, or prepare for a feast day. This is the 5th day of novena mass for Senior Santo Niño.
Santo Niño, ato siyang regular sa ato pinakamasipang papa. Viva Pit Señor!
Viva Pit Señor!
Viva Señor Santo Niño!
Viva Señor Santo
Viva
Niño!
Pit Señor!
Viva Pit Señor!
Dahil masipang papa at Señor Santo Niño. Dapat salamat o pabihog na iyo.
Ingon ani kadaghag taw basta pista ni Senior Santo Niño guys no. Puno kaayo ang simbahan. So viva Pit Señor ninyong tanan guys.
Señor kang lolo kini, Señor kang lola kini, Señor kang tatay kini.